Picture this, a place so beautiful it feels like stepping into a painting. This is Italy in the summer. Imagine a land where the sun-bleached landscapes are as rich and varied as the history they've witnessed. From the rolling vineyards and olive groves to the shimmering coastal vistas, every corner of Italy is a feast for the senses. This is a place where the past and the present coexist harmoniously, where ancient ruins rub shoulders with bustling modern cities, and where time-honored traditions are celebrated with as much gusto as the latest fashion trends. Italy's vibrant culture is a tapestry woven with threads of art, music, cuisine, and of course, the warm and welcoming spirit of its people. Whether you're exploring a world-renowned metropolis or a quaint, off-the-beaten-path village, you'll encounter the same infectious enthusiasm for life that is quintessentially Italian. But the true beauty of Italy shines brightest in the summertime. The air is filled with the scent of citrus and blooming flowers, the days are long and languid, and the nights are alive with the twinkling of stars and the hum of nocturnal festivities. It's a time when the country's already striking landscapes are bathed in a golden glow, and the crystal-clear waters of its seas and lakes beckon invitingly. In the coming minutes, we will guide you through 5 of Italy's most spectacular summer destinations. Each one is unique, offering its own blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences. First, we'll journey to the sun-drenched island of Sicily, a place of wild beauty and millennia-old traditions. Next, we'll set sail for Sardinia, a Mediterranean gem with pristine beaches and turquoise waters. Then, we'll whisk you away to Capri, an island of dreams renowned for its chic charm and breathtaking landscapes. From there, we'll traverse the vibrant, cliff-hugging villages of Cinque Terre. And finally, we'll wind down our tour on the Amalfi Coast, a symphony of sea and sky that has enchanted travelers for centuries. So buckle up and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey through Italy's summer splendor. First stop on our journey, the sun-kissed island of Sicily. As the largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily is a world of its own, brimming with rich history, culture, and of course, the Italian flair for la dolce vita. Sicily is a canvas painted with the vivid colors of its diverse landscapes, from the golden hues of its sun-drenched beaches to the rustic charm of its ancient ruins. Let's speak of beaches first. Sicily's coastline is a paradise for beach lovers. Whether it's the quiet serenity of Mondello Beach or the vibrant life of San Vito lo Capo, the beaches of Sicily are a sunbather's dream come true. And for the adventure seekers, there's the thrill of snorkeling in the clear turquoise waters, exploring the underwater wonders of the Mediterranean. But Sicily isn't just about the sand and the sea, it's also a treasure trove of history, with ancient ruins that whisper tales of bygone civilizations. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to Sicily's Greek past. As you walk through the ruins, you'll feel the echo of ancient footsteps, telling stories of empires risen and fallen. And then, there's the food. Oh, the food! Sicilian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors influenced by the many cultures that have left their mark on the island. From the iconic arancini, a crispy, golden ball of risotto stuffed with a burst of flavors, to the sweet indulgence of cannoli, a tube of crispy pastry filled with creamy ricotta, Sicilian food is a gastronomic journey in itself. But what truly makes Sicily special is the warmth of its people. Sicilians are known for their hospitality, welcoming visitors with open hearts and wide smiles. They're the heartbeat of the island, adding to the vibrancy of its cities and the tranquility of its countryside. Sicily, a place where every moment spent is a memory made. Join us as we continue our journey through the sun-soaked landscapes of Italy. Next, we set sail to Sardinia, a Mediterranean gem that sparkles in the summer sun. In the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Sardinia emerges, a paradise of crystal-clear waters and pristine sandy beaches, a destination that is as enchanting as it is diverse. Imagine spending your days lounging on the white sands of La Pelosa Beach, where the turquoise waters are as warm as a bath, or perhaps exploring the rugged beauty of the Costa Smeralda, where the sand is as pink as a sunset and the sea as blue as a sapphire. From the tranquil bays of Alghero to the dramatic cliffs of Cala Golorizzi, Sardinia's coastline is a treasure trove of natural wonders. As the sun sets, the island's vibrant nightlife comes alive. The coastal city of Cagliari buzzes with energy, its streets filled with the sounds of live music and the aroma of delicious local cuisine. In the stylish bars and clubs of Porto Cervo, you'll rub shoulders with the international jet set, sipping cocktails under the starry Mediterranean sky. But Sardinia is more than just a beach destination. It's a melting pot of cultures, where Italian charm meets Catalan influences. The island's unique heritage is reflected in its architecture, its food, and its people. From the medieval lanes of Alghero, where Catalan is still spoken, to the traditional shepherd's huts dotting the island's interior, Sardinia is a place where the past and the present exist in perfect harmony. Whether you're sampling a glass of Cannonau, Sardinia's signature red wine, or feasting on a plate of succulent roast suckling pig, a local specialty, you'll be immersed in a culinary tradition that is as rich and varied as the island itself. So if you're seeking a summer destination that offers stunning natural beauty, vibrant nightlife, and a unique cultural experience, look no further. Sardinia, a destination that truly embodies the essence of La Dolce Vita. Now, let's voyage to Capri, an island where dreams come alive. Nestled in the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, Capri is a vision of ethereal beauty. This island is a treasure trove of natural wonders and man-made marvels, each adding a unique stroke to the island's vibrant tapestry. From the hypnotic allure of its seas to its pulsating cultural life, Capri is a haven for the dreamers and the adventurers. Imagine drifting into the enchanting Blue Grotto, a sea cave bathed in an eerie blue light. As your boat slips through the cave's mouth, you're transported into another world. The water glows with an otherworldly luminescence, casting a spell that's hard to break. It's as if you found a secret doorway into the heart of the sea, a place where time stands still and the outside world ceases to exist. But the magic of Capri doesn't end at the water's edge. Step ashore and venture into the heart of the island, where the Piazzetta awaits. This bustling square is the island's social hub, a place where life unfolds in its most vibrant form. Here, amidst the clinking of coffee cups and the laughter of locals, you'll find the true spirit of Capri. It's a place where every moment is a celebration of life, a toast to the joy of being in such a breathtaking place. And for those who find joy in the thrill of discovery, Capri offers a shopping experience that's as unique as the island itself. From high-end fashion houses to quaint boutiques, every store is a world waiting to be explored. Whether you're hunting for the perfect memento or simply window shopping, you'll find that in Capri, every purchase tells a story. So whether you're drawn by the call of the sea, the allure of its vibrant social scene, or the charm of its shopping streets, Capri invites you to live your dream. It's an island that doesn't just offer a getaway, but a journey into a world where dreams come to life. Capri, an island that promises an experience as captivating as its beauty. Onward to Cinque Terre, a colorful coastline that's a feast for the eyes. As the name suggests, Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 charming villages, each one more picturesque than the last. Nestled along Italy's rugged Riviera coastline, these villages are a vibrant patchwork of pastel houses that seem to cascade down the cliffside to the azure waters below. Let's start with Monterosso al Mare, the largest of the 5. It's known for its beautiful beaches and the medieval fortress that overlooks the village. Then there's Vernazza, arguably the prettiest of them all, with its castle and colorful harbor that's a sight to behold. Corniglia, the only village not directly on the sea, sits atop a cliff, offering breathtaking panoramic views. It's a perfect spot for those who love a good hike. Speaking of hikes, the trails that connect the 5 villages are a major draw for outdoor enthusiasts. The Blue Path, or Sentiero Azzurro, is the most famous. It's a challenging but rewarding hike, offering stunning views of the coastline and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Next, we have Manarola, a village that's famous for its sweet Sciacchetra wine. This is an excellent place to sit back, enjoy a glass, and watch the sun set over the sea. Lastly, there's Rio Maggiore. Known for its historic center, it's a wonderful place to explore, with narrow lanes and steep stairways that lead to incredible views. These 5 villages, though closely clustered, each have their own unique character and charm. They are a testament to Italy's rich cultural heritage, and their vibrant colors and stunning landscapes encapsulate the country's essence. One can't help but fall in love with the rustic beauty and the slow, serene lifestyle that Cinque Terre offers. The unforgettable experience of exploring these villages, of meandering through narrow lanes, savoring local cuisine, and soaking up the sun on the beautiful beaches, is something that stays with you long after you leave. Cinque Terre is not just a destination, it's a feeling, a state of mind, a slice of Italian heaven on earth. Cinque Terre, a place that paints a perfect picture of Italy's enchanting allure. Finally, we arrive at the Amalfi Coast, a symphony of sea and sky. This is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display, where the azure sea kisses the towering cliffs in a passionate embrace. It's a scene that's as dramatic as it is breathtaking, a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of Italy's coastline. The Amalfi Coast is not just about its stunning natural beauty. It's also home to a vibrant tapestry of seaside towns, each bursting with color and life. These towns, with their pastel-colored buildings clinging to the cliffs and narrow streets bustling with activity, are a joy to explore. They offer a glimpse into the soul of Italy, reflecting the warmth and friendliness of its people. And then, there's the limoncello. Ah, the limoncello. This renowned lemon liqueur is as much a part of the Amalfi Coast as the sea and the cliffs. Made from the zest of local lemons, limoncello is a delightful concoction that's both sweet and tart. It's a taste that lingers, a reminder of the sun-soaked days and balmy nights of an Italian summer. The Amalfi Coast is a place that resonates with music, not the kind that's played with instruments, but the kind that's played with the heart. It's a symphony composed of sea, sky, and spirit, a melody that's as timeless as the cliffs and as enduring as the sea. The Amalfi Coast, a destination that resonates with the harmonious melody of Italy's charm. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Italy's best summer destinations. We've journeyed through the enchanting Sicily, dipped our toes in the pristine waters of Sardinia, basked in the glamour of Capri, strolled through the vibrant lanes of Cinque Terre, and savored the breathtaking vistas of the Amalfi Coast. Each location, a unique testament to Italy's rich culture and undeniable charm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep dreaming of Italy.